I'm Sophia George. I'm a game designer and my latest game is Strawberry Thief. This game project was a part of my games design residency at the Victoria and Albert Museum. Strawberry Thief was inspired by the William Morris pattern of the same name. The reason I wanted to look at that piece was because I thought there was already lots of game elements in there already. You know, the birds as the characters and the strawberries could be a power-up, and there's a lovely environment there as well. When I come up with my ideas, it always starts with drawings for me, sketches, character designs, you know, drawing up a screenshot of what the game would look like. For me, game design is always a very artistic process. I know not all game designers work in the same way that I do, but for me it's very art-driven. All games are part of a collaborative process because you're building something that has lots and lots of different skills involved. So with Strawberry Thief we had artist, programmer, sound, design. We all needed to work together, quite closely to make this happen.
So one of the hardest parts being the animator was to visualize something that didn't exist in 3D. Because although we're doing a 2D game, I had to imagine the bird kind of spinning around and stuff like that. So actually I spent a wee bit of time, got some plasticine from home, and just built this little bird. And it just helped me because I was able to manipulate it and use it, and I had something tangible that I could hold and look about, and it really helped me illustrate stuff on the screen.
I'm the 2D artist on Strawberry Thief, so I'm responsible for all the backgrounds and the graphic design in the game. The things like working on the main menu screen, like having to think if William Morris was making a game, how would he go about doing this? So just kind of bringing the arts and crafts movement into a digital game has been really interesting.
I actually wrote the code for the game. It means that I spend a lot of time doing maths and asking questions of the artists and designers and just kind of putting everything together so that way we can take all of their really awesome art and finally make the end product.
So Strawberry Thief is a very, very calm, therapeutic game where you start with a blank piece of paper, you build up a sketch and add colour, texture, detail. We wanted to make something that anyone could play, so the controls are very simple. You can get to grips with it straight away, and there's no dying or no losing. I was very aware that games have quite a bad reputation of being too violent, too action-orientated, so I really hope that this kind of makes people think more about what games could be about. I've been very lucky to have my work recognised by organisations like BAFTA. A couple of years ago, my first game, Tick Tock Toys, won the BAFTA Ones to Watch Award, and last year I was named one of the first BAFTA Breakthrough Brits in games. And having the support from people like BAFTA is great for my career and really helped me out along the way.